Hey guys, good morning. It's August 25, Sunday. About 8:45. I've been out here for a little bit getting stuff all loaded up at the shed. So I'm going to really kind of torn between just putting shingles on and getting this thing set up here. I think I'm going to attempt to just go after this and get what I can done, because once that's kind of what I can do part, I don't have piping and I'm not ready to hook all this up, but once I get what I can get, then all there will be left is shingling up there basically, and then I can fast forward and get that done, focus just on that. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do here. I wouldn't say that I lost a lot of sleep, but I did some research and been thinking how to do this. So we'll see what happens here. Alright guys, I feel like I'm way overthinking this and making it so hard. When I watch the videos of people doing it, it looks so simple. But I really worked on trying to get this plumbed like center and to get my numbers right from this corner to that corner and all that stuff. But unfortunately, the way the beams are, I can't get it exactly right over this, so the whole stove's gonna have to go over that way a little bit. I really don't think it should matter that much, because this is just, there's no walls gonna be on the sides of this, so it's just gonna be free flowing this way. So hopefully it should be all right. I put these little guys here to give me a reference point. The box is supposed to be 2 inches below. Actually, I need to do that over. I think it's 2 inches below the drywall, and right now I only have 2 inches period. Alright, so I need to redo that idea. Maybe 2 2x4s instead of, that'd put me at 4 inches. Yeah, that'd probably be more accurate. So I know how far it comes down, and then I drew out a square. I'm going to go up on, and I put screws at every corner so that I can see them up there, and then I'll saw it from upstairs on top of the roof. It just seems easier to cut from there. I don't know if it is or not. It seems like it is though. All right, back to work. Okay guys, I'm taking a chance and taking the leap. This has got to go up there. Decided on a particular way of just, the circle's going to be different than this. I decided not to cut it high, and some people were cutting it higher and then cutting down and folding flaps over, but I don't really I don't see the point of that extra work. That means I have to cut that square bigger, which is not as necessary. So I'll have more wood left up there this way. I did this with 3 different tools and none of them were the right one. I mean, they all work to a point together. So I used some snips, some aviator cutters, and the Sawzall, reciprocating saw, and oscillating tool with a metal bit. Together they all got me there. I might have to do some fine tuning here to make it nicer looking, but anyway, let's see how this works out. Okay guys, this was not one of my fun days. I messed a few things up and had to go back and correct them, and I made my circle a little bit too big. That's why these are in there, and I put some like tar to fill in the cracks. I still think it looks pretty good after everything's said and done. Anyway, that took me way longer than I wanted it to. Should be back out here to finish, not finish, keep going on the roof. Almost looking forward to that over this, at least with the roof. I sort of know what I'm doing now. All right, we'll see you guys next time I'm out here. The last thing I'm going to do today is, this is when it pays off to have someone like Roger, because this is where experience and wisdom comes in. I put this in, remember, and I braced it like I thought, which is good. But then he told me drywall guys will need something. It'd be nice to have something to nail into. So I need to cut some couple of braces and put them down lower on this box, like from this guy to there, and same across, so the drywall guys will have something to nail into. So that's what I'm going to work on right now. So guys, to prepare for tomorrow, I'm going to be roofing, and I need to know exactly where the chimney's coming out, so I went ahead and put one of my 4-inch PVC pipes up through there. I'll play around with that tomorrow. It's hot. I don't feel like starting new projects right now. So I'll get out here nice and early tomorrow. I might actually have Diego to help me tomorrow, so that'll be good. Hopefully we can come up with a plan and figure out what's a good way of getting that roof done, because it's actually tomorrow will be Saturday, I think, and I think Sunday it's supposed to rain. All right, checking the weather for this area. Yeah, it's supposed to rain Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it would be nice to have the roof on and done, so at least we're dried in up on top. Tomorrow is going to be sunny and a high of 89, so we're finally getting down into the 80s. And I hope we're heading toward fall weather, because it's what it looks like. And I am happy about that. Again, I guess this is done. Now I'm done until for the flashing stuff. We'll see ya the next time I'm out here.